I would like to thank all my followers for subscribing. I hope to have more subscribers subscribing to my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. I like to add in 2. Okay. Garlic. I'm going to put in some chili. Now this is a soup. A bit of salt, white pepper, a little bit of rasa. Now I'm adding some bones in the soup. Adding some bones in the soup. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Now I have put 3 chicken inside. I also have put the chicken bone. I want them to cook. Meanwhile, waiting for the chicken to cook, I'm going to prepare the ginger garlic paste. Then I can cook the rice. Now I'm going to do the ginger garlic paste for the rice. Okay, I need ginger. Okay, you can put the skin. Okay. I'm going to grind this into a paste. I have to put some chili, 2-3 chili, okay, chili, some onions, now so the chicken or chippo. Okay, now I'm going to do the paste. Grind it into a paste. Now I already put the chicken into the ice. This is basmati rice, and I'm going to put 8 cups of basmati rice. 1, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to rub the chicken with the sesame oil. Okay, this is sesame oil. I have to rub it with the sesame oil. To cook this rice, we need this water, this soup. I mean this chicken where we boil, you need this water to cook the highness rice. So since I put 8 cups of rice, I'm going to put 10 cups of water. One. So I have put 8 cups of this chicken soup inside. Now I'm going to add another 3 cups. 8, 9, 10. Okay. A little bit of sugar. To cook this rice, I have used sesame oil. So I'm putting some sesame oil. I'm adding some of the chicken fat. Adding the ginger garlic paste. Okay. Perasa Nasi Ayam, Hainanese for Hainanese chicken rice paste. So I'm having this side. Okay. Adding white pepper with a little bit of black pepper. Okay. So the rice will have a nice taste. Okay, now I'm going to add in onions. Adding some chilies. Now I'm going to pour this into the rice. Okay. Now I have already added this paste inside the rice. So now I have to let it cook. So the salt one. Meanwhile, waiting for the rice to cook, I'm going to do the chili paste. Now the chilies are okay. So I need to have chili, red chili. Okay, I'm going to cut the chili. Some garlic. I'm going to do the chili paste. So to do the chili paste, I need to put some sesame oil, okay? Because I want to cook the chili oil. Okay. Cook this. Have to cook the chili. When the chili is cooked, then you can dry it. Now I'm going to add oyster sauce, okay. Chili sauce. A little bit of salt, sugar, the rascal, a little bit of white pepper powder. Now I'm going to grind it into a paste. Okay. Grind this into a chili paste. Add in some of the stock, chicken stock. Okay. Cook already, we can take it out. Okay. Okay, now it is already boiling. This can be eaten with the rice. Now I'm going to do the ginger garlic sauce for the rice. Earlier I did the chili sauce. Now I'm going to do ginger garlic sauce. Now I'm going to do the ginger garlic sauce. Okay, put in a little bit of this sesame oil. I'm going to cook the ginger and the garlic. This ginger, garlic, onion and the onion leaf salad. Okay, let's cook this. Have to put the fish. I'm adding a little bit of vinegar. I'm adding a little salt, sugar, a little bit of rasa, white powder. Now I'm going to have to cook it. Sesame oil, ginger garlic, put in a little bit of honey. Okay. Honey a little bit. You have to put this. Take the one more bowl. This is the ginger garlic sauce. Okay. This can be eaten with the rice. This is very good. Ginger garlic sauce is very good. Takes out all the onion oil. Now I'm pounding the ginger and the garlic for the soya sauce. Okay. Now, first I have to pound this. I have to pound it nicely. Okay. I'm going to do the soya sauce. There are many people who do their soya sauce differently, but I do my soya sauce this way. Pour a little bit of sesame oil. Then we'll do the ingredients. Okay. This is the ketchup, ABC, sweet soya money. Okay, I'm pouring this. Add in a little bit of the stock, chicken stock. I'm adding a little bit of honey. No, boil it well. Little bit of the oyster sauce. Little bit of the oyster sauce. Put in oyster sauce a bit. Okay, now the ketchup is already cooked. Now I can take it out. So, rice is already cooked. Put in some fried onions. Okay. Rice. This is the rice soup. This is the what shall I say? This is the chili paste. This one is the soya sauce paste. And this is the ginger garlic paste. This is the mixed vegetable. This is the chicken. I think you all can see the chicken. This is the chicken that I put. Soup down. This is the soup down.